In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar on Monday.com, a powerful feature that allows you to visually track the progress of your projects and tasks with ease. So let's dive right in and discover how this can really enhance your workflow. First, we'll begin by navigating to the board where you want to add the progress bar. This could be any board you're currently working on. If you're not familiar with how to access your board, simply log into your Monday.com account and select the board from your dashboard. Once you're on the board, you should see a series of columns that represent different types of data for your project. Next, we'll look for the plus icon located at the far right of your existing columns. Clicking this icon will allow us to add a new column to your board, a necessary step in setting up the progress bar feature. This icon is easy to spot and acts as the starting point for customizing your board further. After clicking the plus icon, a menu will appear offering various column types. Here, select More Columns, and then choose Progress Tracking from the list of options. This feature is specifically designed to help track progress visually, offering a clear and concise way to measure task completion. Upon selecting the Progress Tracking column, you'll have the option to choose which columns you want to affect the progress bar. This setup is customizable, so you can decide which tasks or milestones will contribute to the overall progress. Typically, you'll want to link this to columns representing stages of task completion or objectives met, aligning them with your project's specific needs. Finally, once your progress bar is set up, you can view progress across different groups within your board. This means you can not only see the progress of individual tasks, but also get an overview of how groups of tasks are progressing towards completion. It's an incredibly helpful feature for teams managing multiple projects at once, providing comprehensive insight into project timelines. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a progress bar to your board on Monday.com. This tool will now provide you with a visual representation of your project's progress, enabling you to quickly assess the status and make informed decisions. Remember, the key to effectively using the progress bar is ensuring that you regularly update the columns it tracks, keeping your data as current and accurate as possible. This dynamic approach to project management can significantly enhance your productivity and project visibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you maximize your use of Monday.com.